Welcome to DXT School. Let's listen to a dialogue. Weekend escape planning. Chloe. Hi Liam, sorry I'm a little late, traffic was a nightmare. What have you been up to? Liam. No worries at all. Honestly, I've had a crazy week at work. Just finished a big project, and my head feels like it's rattling on. Chloe. Oh, I know that feeling. You definitely need a break to clear your head. Have you thought about getting away for the weekend? Liam. I'd love to, but my budget's a bit tight right now. Plus, I haven't really looked into anything. Chloe. Well, I was actually thinking about a short trip to the mountains. Nothing too fancy, maybe just rent a small cabin for a couple of nights. We could split the cost. Liam. That sounds amazing, Chloe, but cabins can be quite pricey, can't they? And gas too. Chloe. Not necessarily. I've seen some good deals online if you book a little in advance. And if we find one with a kitchen, we could cook our meals instead of eating out, which would save us a lot. Liam. You've got a point there. I'm usually so busy I just grab takeout. What about getting there? Do you want to take my car or yours? Chloe. Mine's probably more fuel efficient for a longer drive. We could pitch in for gas, and I'd be happy to drive most of the way. Liam. That's really thoughtful of you. So, when were you thinking of going? Next weekend? Chloe. That would be ideal. I'm free, and it would give us enough time to look into options and pack. We could even go hiking. Liam. Okay, you've convinced me. It sounds like exactly what I need. Let's start looking tonight. I'll send you some links if I find anything interesting. Chloe. Perfect. I knew we could make it work. It'll be great to get out of the city for a bit. Liam. Definitely. Thanks for pushing me, Chloe. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this dialogue, hit the like button. Subscribe for a new lesson every day. Find more free dialogues on school.dxt.ma.